Now, which is best for your skin type between these two products? So we have CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Lotion and CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Let's find out. This is set to intensely hydrate extra dry skin, relieve and defend the skin against itchiness, tightness, roughness, flakiness or scaliness, and redness or discoloration due to dryness. Whereas this one is said to be a lightweight oil-free moisturizer with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid to help lock the skin's moisture and restore the skin's barrier. I want to move straight to comparison, and I'll start with hand swatch so you guys can see them side by side. Starting first with the Intensive Moisturizing Lotion. I think this is fine. Then for the Moisturizing Lotion, there's a huge difference between both of them. This is what they look like side by side. I can tell that the facial moisturizing lotion is a lot more lighter in consistency as opposed to the intensive one. I'm going to blend in the facial moisturizing lotion first. Do you guys see how light this is? Now I want to blend in this one. Also light as well. Here's what they look like side by side. I want to give them some time to air dry, and I'll be back to show you guys what the back of my palms look like. Here's what they look like side by side. Looking at it right now, I can definitely tell the difference. Same thing I also said when I reviewed the intensive one. This is definitely a glow to this one, whereas this one just feels more like water and it's gone. I don't know how visible the hand swatches were for you guys, so I want to apply it on here and here for better view. I'm going to start first with this one. 1, 2 pumps. Now use my hand to blend it in. I'm going to go ahead to apply this on this side. 1, 2. So here's the intensive one, and here is the original one. I want to give these some time to air dry, and I'll be back to show you guys what they look like. So I'm back and nothing has changed. You can see that the intensive one is still very much giving that nice shine on the skin, whereas the other one is just regular. So I've decided to add a face application so that we can see how they look side by side. I currently have just toner on my face and nothing more. I'm going to do 1 pump of the original moisturizer. And I'm going to go in with 1 pump of the new moisturizer. This much. I'm done applying both products, and I must say that there's something different about CeraVe. Both moisturizers are itching or somehow burning my skin in a way. I don't know what's going on, because the recent products I am trying from CeraVe, my skin doesn't just like it anymore. This one stings on some days and on some days it doesn't. This one is new. I actually just opened it or bought it for the purpose of this video, and this is the first time I'm using it, and it's stinging or burning me somehow. I don't know how to explain it. What is going on, CeraVe? What is going on? Am I the only one experiencing this? Guys, let me know. Anyway, let's give them some time to sink in, and I'll be back to show you guys what my face looks like. I'm back, and here's what my face looks like. Intensive side. The original side. I think the difference is pretty clear. Everywhere I've applied the intensive one has a very nice sheen to it, whereas where I applied the facial moisturizing lotion is just there. So in terms of how they feel on the skin, they are both lightweight moisturizers. For the finish, the intensive side gives me more of a dewy finish, whereas this side just looks natural. What do they smell like? They are both fragrance-free moisturizers, but hold on, let me sniff it for you guys. I'll say that you may not necessarily perceive anything, but if you sniff deep, and I mean really deep, you may get that drug-like scent. Aside from that, nothing. In terms of feeling, nothing at all. They pair well with all the skincare products I have paired them with. So which one is best for your skin type? Either product can be used by all skin types, all skin tones. It all depends on what you want. If you want something that gives you more of that lotion plus oil vibe, go for the new one. And if you want something that is just an oil-free lotion, go for the old one. So that's pretty much it for this comparison. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried either of these products or if you're going to be purchasing them. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.